Welcome back to the channel. Today we're leaving behind the bright lights and non-stop energy of Las Vegas and heading out on a road trip to one of the most iconic engineering marvels in the world, the Hoover Dam. This video is all about the journey. From the busy streets of Vegas to the open desert highways, we'll take you step by step through the full drive, exploring the scenery, the history, and the incredible story behind this massive structure that changed the American West forever. So buckle up, relax, and join me for this scenic drive through Nevada's desert landscape as we make our way to the legendary Hoover Dam. And if you enjoy travel documentaries, real-time drives, and historic landmarks, make sure to stick around, and there's a lot to see. As we leave Las Vegas behind, the city fades and the Nevada desert opens up in front of us. The noise, the lights all disappear, replaced by wide open skies and miles of peaceful highway. The desert here has its own beauty, rocky hills, warm colors, and that quiet empty landscape that feels almost endless. The road starts to twist through these ridges, and you can feel we're getting closer to something big. And now, with Lake Mead appearing in the distance, you know the Hoover Dam isn't far. Let's keep going and enjoy this incredible desert view as we make our way toward one of the greatest engineering feats in the world. And here we are, the Hoover Dam. After that beautiful drive through the Nevada desert, this massive structure finally comes into view, and it's just incredible to see it up close. We decided to go inside and take the official tour, and honestly, it's worth it. Walking through these tunnels, you really start to understand just how huge this place is. Now we're entering one of the most impressive parts of the entire dam, the power plant. Down here are the giant turbines that generate electricity for Nevada, Arizona, and California. Standing next to them, you can feel the vibration in the floor and hear that deep rumble of power. These turbines have been running for decades, and they're still producing enough energy to power hundreds of thousands of homes. It's crazy to think that all of this was built in the 1930s using technology that was way ahead of its time. Being down here really gives you a whole new appreciation for just how ambitious this project was. Let's keep moving through the tour and see what else this engineering masterpiece has to offer. So here's how it works. Water from Lake Mead travels down through huge pipes called penstocks. Gravity pulls the water downward with a lot of force. When that water hits the turbine blades, it makes them spin, kind of like a giant underwater fan. That spinning motion turns a generator connected to the turbine. Inside the generator, magnets rotate around coils of wire, which produces electricity. It's all powered by the energy of falling water. No fuel, no smoke, just pure hydropower. Each turbine can produce enough electricity for tens of thousands of homes, and when you add all of them together, the Hoover Dam can generate power for over 1 million people, depending on water levels.
There are 8 located on this side, with another 9 on the Arizona side. That gives us a grand total of 17 for the dam. They stand at 70 feet tall, however, we are only looking at the top 30 feet of them. And at the very top is a light. If that light is illuminated, that means it is currently in use. Each one of these generators can provide up to 130 megawatts of electricity. So we can I'm standing next to over here reminds me of an electrical outlet. That's representing power.
And now, we stand before one of the greatest feats of engineering ever built. This is the main wall of the Hoover Dam, a colossal arc of concrete rising more than 700 feet above the Colorado River. Just look at it. This massive structure has held back billions of gallons of water for nearly a century, shaping the Southwest and powering entire cities.
Born in the Rocky Mountains, then fed by other rivers and streams.
As we continue exploring, we've stepped inside the Hoover Dam Exhibit, a space dedicated to the vision, the sacrifice, and the unbelievable engineering behind this iconic structure.
And a destructive force. A dam is needed. A dam that will water is expensive.
Here, every wall tells a story, from the early blueprint sketched nearly a century ago to the original tools used by workers who braved scorching temperatures and impossible conditions.
John, can you just confirm that elevation level is more than 219? Yeah, I got 8 points.
These images show the real heroes behind the dam, thousands of men suspended by ropes, carving into the rock face, day after day. Their work didn't just build a dam, it built hope during one of the hardest times in American history. The exhibit also breaks down how the dam functions. The intake towers, the turbines, the endless flow of water being transformed into power. Seeing the mechanics up close gives you a whole new appreciation for just how advanced this project was for its time. It's one thing to see the dam from the outside, but inside this exhibit, you really understand the genius behind it.
These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single...
Now we're stepping out of the exhibit and heading toward one of the most stunning viewpoints at Hoover Dam, the Overlook.
They worked the walls to their solid foundation to prevent the natural rock from falling on the workers below. It has been said that in the shadow of Hoover Dam, one feels that the
No matter how many pictures you've seen, nothing compares to standing here in person. The sheer drop, the sweep of the concrete arch, it's breathtaking. This is the moment where the Hoover Dam really speaks for itself.
one of the 10 most honored construction achievements of the 20th century. Feel free to stay and take all the pictures you wish. The next presentation is located across the street.
Imagine the workers who carved this from the canyon during the Great Depression, under brutal heat, hanging from ropes, blasting and building day and night. What we're looking at isn't just a wall, it's history carved into the desert. So come with me. Let's take a walk across this incredible engineering jewel. We're going to take it all in, check out the views from every angle, and really experience just how incredible this place is. Let's go. Alright, this right here is one of the coolest spots on the entire Hoover Dam. We're standing at the midway point, the exact line that divides Nevada and Arizona. On one side of this line, you're in Nevada, and just a few steps later, you're officially in Arizona. It's pretty wild to think you can cross state lines just by taking a step. This marker represents more than just a border. It shows how the Hoover Dam connects two states, spans the Colorado River, and provides power and water to millions of people across the Southwest. So right now, you can literally say you've been in two states at the same time, all while standing on one of the most famous dams in the world. As we approach the end of this adventure, I want to take a moment to reflect on just how incredible this experience has been. From the drive through the Nevada desert, to walking across the Hoover Dam and taking in its power, history, and sheer scale. Moments like this remind us why places like this matter, not just as landmarks, but as symbols of vision, determination, and human ingenuity. If you found this video helpful and informative, please take a moment to like and subscribe, and don't forget to activate the notification bell. Your support truly helps this channel grow and allows me to bring you more journeys, more stories, and more videos like this. Thank you for coming along with me, and I'll see you in the next adventure.